These images I generated through ChatGPT. Seriously? Let me show you how. At the present, AI photo generators are so popular. Also, ChatGPT can generate images. Let me check by normal prompt. Generate image of flower and bee. As you already know, ChatGPT cannot generate images directly. Here, it is mentioned it cannot directly generate or display images. Then, how can ChatGPT generate images? Let me go. Here is the special prompt to generate images through ChatGPT. Through this prompt, I asked for an image of flower with bee. In the output section, I described how will the image look like. Here we go. Okay, ChatGPT generated our image. It is pretty good. I asked yellow color flower with a bee in morning sunshine, and ChatGPT gave a better response. This is the prompt to generate images. In the input part, we gave the main characters in the image. In the output part, we describe the image how will look like. In the output part, first describe the main reading of the image, its main focus detail of the image, how it look like. You can understand it through this example. Next, describe the characters in the image by some adjectives. I described it here like yellow flower, big shining flower, likewise. In the visual style part, you can describe the background of the image, how it look like. Here I describe it by sunny and morning sunshine. Also, you can describe the type of the image, whether is it realistic or illustrative or paper art or cartoon image. Likewise, you can describe the type of the image. Then after, if you have any artist to refer, then give it. If you haven't any artist to refer, then leave. It's not problem. The part 1 and part 2 both you have to include in this prompt. I put this prompt in the description. Simply just copy it and change the input and output parts as you wished. We try another one. This one I previously tried. Asked for an image of a blue whale and a diving man. I asked for illustrative art. Here it generated beautiful image, beautiful illustration art. It is good and interesting. Okay, we try another image. The sailing boat in the ocean. Oh, it is a very beautiful art. Also, it's here I asked for illustrated art and they gave illustrated art. It is very beautiful. But here also I asked for a man with the boat. There isn't any man, but other requirements are fulfilled. So it's okay. This is very beautiful. Shall we try another? Here I asked for a rapid commando warrior. Let we see how it going. It's also pretty good image. Let's check the image. Commander suit and the backpack with the rifle is there. Dark dusty background. Background is color is dusty but not dark. I also ask for a background with trees, but there is no trees. Otherwise it is pretty good image. To download these images, just right click on the image and give the save image as option. Let's see the downloaded image. We cannot satisfy the quality of the image. If you want to upscale this image, just use Gemini app or any other AI image enhancers. I recommended to use Gemini app. It's pretty good app and it's easy to use. No need any tutorials, you can try it yourself. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Give me your valuable feedbacks in the comment section and stay tuned with me. Good luck.